Students, first of all, warm welcome to your next class, class 10. Okay, today uh, we have start our first chapter in bio, that is the evaluation. Okay, that is the science chapter. You prepare 3 copies for the science, bio, physics, and chemistry. Okay, now today we have to start our first chapter. What is the name of chapter? Evaluation. Okay, before start our chapter, I would like to explain what you understand by the evaluation and what is the meaning of evaluation. Okay, the development of plants, animals, etc. over many thousands of the years from simple early forms to the more advantageous ones. Okay, that is the evaluation. Evaluation describe when a groups of organisms changes over time to time. Okay, and this can occur over long periods of time and the short periods of the time. That is the evaluation. Evaluation is the defeated of the process of growth and the development. Organisms have grown and developed from past organism. Okay, that is the evaluation. An example of the evaluation is theory started by the Charles Darwin. Darwin is the famous scientist. Okay, that theories, Darwin's theories about how human came to be their present form, that is the theory. Okay, now how evaluation will be occur, that is the another question. Now I will tell you how evaluation will be occur. This occur because organism with advantageous traits passed or the more copies of the heritable traits for the next generation. Okay, one example I will give to the in your chapter. What is the dinosaurus species? Some extant species of the dinosaurus. Okay, how now today we can't see the dinosaurus species. Okay, what is the reason? The reason is behind of that dinosaurs evolved from their reptiles during the Jurassic period. Okay, over 230 million years ago. Dinosaurs evolved soon after the Permian extinctions that occurred on the earth. Okay, now we can't see the one species of the dinosaurs. Okay, next second subtopic is the habit and its affected. Okay, another one is the evaluations of mode that keep some generation. I will tell to one example. We observe that population of the same species, okay, not increasing fast, and some are the increasing. For example, in our India, tigers in our country are reducing, tigers species are reducing. Okay, but in another hand, the population of human beings is increasing. Okay, and if population is big, if population is increasing, so many means that food habit and all resources is also increase. If they are decreasing, so resources also decrease. Okay, now I will tell in this explain, then after I will give the another short notes in you write in your copies. Okay.